Ngā mihi nui kia koutou and welcome to our first virtual assembly for 2021. Obviously there is a lot of building work going on around the school. Our gymnasium is totally out of action and the hall is of a high use. So we are sticking with or rolling with this virtual assembly format. So I'm going to hand you over to the head students now who are going to walk us through this. Thank you.
We would now like to recognise the following students who have represented CSC in triathlon over the past few years. They will be rewarded with a badge to recognise their efforts. These will be presented at their year level assemblies. Lily Foto, Brooke Ford and Ryland Cooper. CSC is always highly represented in triathlon, another example of our school punching well above its weight. We also have a few certificates. These will be handed out at year level assemblies also. But in the meantime, you can see the students who competed and their results here.
Hi everyone, quick update from your hero leaders, me, Rebecca, Estelle and Naomi. We are excited about our upcoming events for Term 2.
Remember the postcard design competition is still going. Entries are due at the end of next week. We have given you all an extra week to get your entries into Miss Wilkinson. Be in to win a $50 voucher.
We will be running another hero shop for year 11, 12 and 13s. Remind your teachers to stamp your cards so you have money to spend.
Hero draws will be happening this term for year 9 and 10 too, so don't forget to drop your cards in the mailbox by the canteen.
We also hope to visit every year level assembly to run a quiz so you can be in to win more prizes. Look out for us at your assemblies and get involved. We visited the year 9s last week and congratulations to Tamara and Mr. Campbell on winning the quiz.
Now we will do the hero draw. In this bin are the hero cards that have been put in the mailbox this year. Each name will be drawn out and win a $10 canteen voucher. Names will be in the notices. See Mrs. Wilkinson to collect your prize. We'll draw out 5 names. And the names are Angus Madden from 11VN, Renee from 11BG, Leonard Dickey from 11VN, Matthew Gill from 11VN, and Zachary Dolan from 9WN.
Congratulations. Keep showing our values every day. We look forward to our hero event in Term 2. We'll keep you posted when and what it'll be. We'll be out and about rewarding hero behaviour, so keep doing the right thing.
The Duke of Edinburgh's Award is a youth awards program founded in the United Kingdom in 1956 by Prince Philip. From the beginning, His Royal Highness had been committed to the program and its work with young people around the world. The Global Award is dedicated to ensuring that the Duke of Edinburgh's legacy will continue to grow, and in doing so, champion and challenge young people from all corners of the globe. The Duke of Edinburgh's Award is available to all 14 to 24-year-olds, regardless of their background. The award has 3 levels: gold, silver and bronze. Participants are required to complete 4 sections: voluntary service, skills, physical recreation and adventurous journey. Completing your Duke of Edinburgh Award is a great self-satisfying attainment. Although the award requires a lot of effort, time and dedication, it's well worth it. The students on screen have earned their bronze Duke of Edinburgh Award.